Hi friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. Friend, today's video we are going to discuss about how to think in English. Because friend, most of people have a problem think in English. But before that, we know. If you want to speak English, 100% you should start to think in English. It's too much important. If even you don't have any atmosphere, then after thinking in English, you can speak English very well. Because automatically what happen, our subconscious mind will get habitual to think in English, and automatically we will start to speak. Automatically our confidence will be improved to speak front of anyone. Actually what happened, we didn't have confidence to speak because we don't have any logic. We didn't speak before that sentence. That's why we take a time, we fear about, and within that fear we miss there, we wrong it, and we lose our English speaking confidence. The friend, for that purpose, what you have to do, when at a morning, when will you awake, that time you should start to think in English. While you are doing bath, while doing brush, you have to think in English. What are you doing? 100% at a starting phase, most of minor mistake you will do. There will be too much mistake will be happen, but you have to think in English. Then after, if you are going outside, which things you are watching, you have to think in English only. If anyone there will any object, you don't know what to speak in English, you can search on Google, you can search any dictionary, and you can start to think in English. If friend, in whole day like this, at a noon time, evening time, if you whole day you will do this for 1 month, 100% you will become too much confidence to speak English. Even also I tried too much, but actually what happened, friend, we didn't continue it. We miss it, we can't remember it. But friend, if you continuously do it, you make a consistency in it, 100% your speaking will be very well. And that's why, friend, I want to suggest to at a starting phase, at least start to think in English. Automatically your confidence will be improved. And if you don't have to speak anyone, if you don't have any local friend who want to speak English, at a front of a mirror you can speak. Okay, you should have to analyze yourself, you should have to look on your even also body language, because also your communication skill will be improved if you will speak in front of a mirror. Like this you have to do practice every day. 100% you will able to speak English very well. And friend, again I want to tell you, if you want to speak in English within short time, start to think in English. It's too much important. And friend, if you like this video, if you like my advice, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon, because friend, next video notification you will get. Thank you so much. See you next video. Bye bye.